Good day everyone. Our gospel for today is from Matthew chapter 8 verses 5 to 17, where Jesus reveals his power and compassion through healing not just of the body but also of the hearts of those who comes to him. The Roman centurion wasn't part of God's chosen people, yet Jesus was amazed by his faith. He didn't ask for Jesus to come physically. He believed that just one word from Jesus was enough. And because of that deep trust, his servant was healed. Sa panahon ngayon, parang ganun din tayo. Minsan, ang dami nating pinagdadaanan sa buhay, stress sa work, problema sa pamilya, o simpleng pagod sa buhay. Pero kahit hindi natin nakikita si Lord, tinatawag pa rin niya tayong magtiwala. Kahit isang dasal lang, isang tiwala lang, at gaya ng senturyon, maaari tayong magtiwala na sapat ang salita ng Diyos upang tayo ay pagalingin sa ating takot, pagod o pagkalito. Minsan, feeling natin kailangan ng grand gesture para mapansin tayo ni Lord. Pero in reality, simpleng Lord, tulong naman ay sapat na. Hindi mo kailangan maging super banal o super holy para mapakinggan ka niya. Ang mahalaga, lumapit ka at magtiwala ka. When Jesus healed Peter's mother-in-law and many others who were sick, He showed that His mercy has no limits. Maging ang mga simpleng karamdaman ay kanyang pinapansin. Sa dami ng himala ni Jesus, bakit isinama pa ang kwentong ito? Dahil ipinapakita nito na walang maliit na sakit sa mata ng Diyos. Kahit lagnat lang, pinapansin niya. At hindi lang niya pinapagaling ang unang ginawa ng babae pagkatapos gumaling. Naglingkod. Hindi dahil napilitan, kundi dahil ang pusong pinagaling ay pusong handang maglingkod. Today, maybe we're not battling a fever, but we might be carrying exhaustion, sadness, or disappointment. Like Peter's mother-in-law, when we allow Jesus to touch those parts of us, healing comes. And from that healing flows new strength to love, to serve, and to live with gratitude. So that's all for my reflection. And for anyone interested in growing their faith and diving deeper into daily reflections, you can connect with Faithbook PH by subscribing to their YouTube channel for their daily reflections and inspiring content. Download the Faithbook app or register and explore more resources at their official website www.faithbook.ph. God bless po.